Trees are always a question when it comes to claims and storms. During this most recent storm, you probably had a couple of trees that fell down in your yard and maybe across your neighbor's yard. And the question I get most common is, who's responsible? And the answer is it's whoever tree, wherever the tree lands is their responsibility. When it comes to homeowners insurance, you have a liability clause in your policy, and that liability says if you're liable for something, then your insurance is going to pay it. Unless it's excluded. So what you're looking at is a tree fell down because of wind. The question is, did you do anything wrong? Well, no. Unless you knew that the tree was about to fall down, it was dead or something like that, then there's no coverage for your policy for the other person's house or whatever it may have fallen on. You'll see in the picture on this blog that there's a tree that fell from one neighbor's house all the way through another neighbor's house, and then the roots messed up another neighbor's fence. And so there's going to be 3 policies that actually come into play to remove the damage on that tree. The other thing to note is that if a tree is on your property, most policies are going to cover to remove the tree. But if a tree is not on any property, it's not going to pay very much. Most policies are going to limit you to $500 to $1,000, maybe $1,500 to cover a downed tree, that is to remove it and possibly replant a new one. So you really don't have much coverage there. There are some situations where you'll have a little bit more coverage for trees. There's debris removal coverage into your policy, and it can be limited. So you need to make sure that you do have enough. Most policies are going to give you 5% of your building value for coverage for trees, but you need to make sure that that's going to be adequate, because you never know how much debris removal you're going to need in the event of a large claim. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us, Veritas Risk Management, 423-292-4142, or go to our website, veritasrm.com, and we'd be happy to answer any questions that you have.